The Settings tab is your personal control center. Click the gear icon in the navigation bar to open it. From here, you can manage Do Not Disturb, Dial Timeout, Caller ID, Call Forwarding, Find Me, Follow Me, Voicemail, Greetings, your portal password, and your Softphone Key layout. Let's walk through each section. At the top of the page, you'll find Quick Settings. The Do Not Disturb toggle sends all incoming calls straight to voicemail. Below that, Dial Timeout controls how many seconds your phone rings before the call is considered unanswered. Both changes take effect immediately. The Outbound Caller ID section lets you choose which phone number appears when you make outbound calls. If your administrator has assigned you multiple caller ID slots, you'll see them listed here with a label and phone number. Select the one you want and it applies to your next call. Next is Call Forwarding with 4 rules: unconditional, busy, no answer, and offline. Each one has a toggle and a destination field. We cover these in detail in the dedicated call forwarding video, so check that out for a deep dive. The key thing to know is that every change saves automatically the moment you flip a toggle or tab out of a field. Find Me, Follow Me lets you ring additional numbers when someone calls your extension. Enable it with the toggle, then choose a strategy. Ring all rings every number at once, while Sequential tries them one by one. You can add up to 3 external numbers, each with its own timeout in seconds. The Caller ID option controls whether the forwarded call shows your extension's number or passes through the original caller's number. The Voicemail section lets you change your voicemail PIN. That's the code you enter when you dial in to check messages. Type a new PIN and click Update. Below that, you can upload custom voicemail greetings. The unavailable greeting plays when you don't answer, and the temporary greeting overrides it for things like vacation. Upload a WAV or MP3 file, and you can play or delete it anytime. Finally, you can change your portal password right from the Settings tab. Enter your current password, type a new one, confirm it, and click Change. Below that, you'll see the Softphone Keys section where you can customize your BLF and speed dial buttons. That has its own dedicated video too. That's a complete tour of your portal settings. Every change is instant, so you're always in control.